Most authors focus on just one thing, launching their book. But your book doesn't just make money on release day. If you treat your book like a long-term asset, it can keep earning for years, even decades, offering a hopeful and optimistic outlook for your writing career. If you've ever wondered,
can my book really pay me consistently?
Then the answer is yes. Let's talk about how. The first step to making money long-term isn't about strategy. It's about mindset. Most new authors think of their book as a single event. Write, publish, launch, and then move on. But if you want long-term income, you have to see your book as a business asset. Think of it like a rental property. A landlord just doesn't earn money the day they buy the building. They earn rent every month. Your book is the same. Once it's live, it can bring in royalties month after month. This means shifting from a short-term launch mentality to a long-term growth mentality, inspiring and motivating you to change your approach. Ask yourself, how can this book keep reaching readers in 6 months? What systems can I set up today to be sure sales continue tomorrow? How can I position my book so it remains relevant over time? When you stop chasing instant wins and start building lasting systems, your book becomes income-generating machine. No marketing tactic will save a poorly written or poorly packaged book. If you want long-term income, your book has to be professional. That means strong editing. Errors turn readers away fast. A clean, well-edited book earns trust. Professional cover. Your cover is your billboard. It must clearly signal your genre. Compelling book description. Think of this as your sales pitch, not a summary. Clean formatting. A smooth reading experience means readers are more likely to finish and buy your next book. Readers come back to authors they trust. When your book looks and feels professional, it builds credibility. And credibility keeps your income steady long after launch. Even the best book won't sell if nobody can find it. That's where metadata comes in. Metadata is the behind-the-scenes information that tells online stores and search engines what your book is about. It includes things like your book's title, subtitle, author's name, and keywords. Here's what you need to focus on. For keywords, use all 7 keyword slots on Amazon with reader-focused search phrases. So instead of just saying mystery, try Cozy Cat Mystery with humor. Categories. Don't just choose the biggest category. Pick smaller, relevant categories where your book can actually rank. Subtitle for nonfiction. Answer the reader's biggest question. What's in it for me? Series branding. If you're writing fiction, your series title and covers should clearly connect. When your book is optimized for discoverability, it keeps finding new readers every single day without you having to consistently push it. Enjoying the video? Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. And if you want to stay updated, turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. One of the most innovative ways to build long-term income is to diversify your income streams. Ebook. Digital is fast, easy, and global. Print. Many readers still prefer paperbacks or hardcovers. Print also provides opportunities for book signings and library promotions. Audiobooks are booming, and Readers often buy the audiobook in addition to the ebook. Think about it. You don't have to write a new book to double or triple your income. You just need to expand your formats. And don't forget about translations. If your book does well in English, it may perform in German, Spanish, or other growing markets. Every new format or version is another long-term income stream from the same work. One of the biggest secrets in publishing is this: series make money long-term. When a reader enjoys book 1, they're far more likely to buy book 2, 3, and beyond. That means focus on writing in series whenever possible. Make sure each book clearly connects to the others. Add a call to action in your back matter, pointing readers to the next book. And don't underestimate the power of your backlist. Many authors think their older books are done after launch. Wrong. A reader who finds your latest book may go back and buy everything you've ever written. Your backlist, which refers to all your previous published books, is your retirement plan as an author. The more books you write, the stronger your long-term income becomes. Now let's talk about marketing. Launch marketing is one thing, but if you want consistent sales, you'll need evergreen marketing systems. Here are 3 powerful ones. Email list. This is your most valuable long-term asset. Every time you release a new book, your list guarantees sales. Amazon ads and Facebook ads. Even a small, steady budget can keep your books visible. Ads let new readers find your work long after launch. Content marketing, whether it's YouTube, blogging, or social media, content builds your brand and drives steady traffic to your books. The key is consistency. Instead of short bursts of promotion, focus on strategies that keep delivering month after month. These could include regular blog posts, a weekly newsletter to your email list, or a monthly budget for Amazon or Facebook ads. If you're feeling stuck or not sure how to get your book published, I offer personalized coaching to guide you step by step from first draft to hitting publish. Whether you're just starting or ready to release your book, I'll help you move forward with confidence. I offer 4 different levels: quick clarity call, a focused one-on-one session to specific publishing questions, introductory session, a quick strategy session to assess where you are in your publishing journey, self-publishing power hour, a deep dive one-on-one strategy session tailored to your publishing goals, and the Indie Author Jumpstart, 3 one-hour coaching calls to take your book from draft to publication. Check out the link in the description. Books are the foundation, but they can also open doors to additional income streams. Courses and workshops. Teach what you know. Speaking engagements. Authors with non-fiction expertise can get paid to speak. Merchandise. Fiction authors can create merchandise tied to their worlds. Digital products. Planners, workbooks, or guides related to your books. These extras aren't required, but they can significantly boost your long-term earning power. This is the simplest but the most powerful long-term income strategy. Keep writing. Every book you publish is another income stream. Some will sell more than others, but together they build a stable foundation. Think of it like planting seeds. The more seeds you plant, the bigger your garden grows. Even if one book doesn't take off, the next one just might. Consistency is the real secret. If you keep publishing quality books, your catalog will eventually work for you, even when you're not actively marketing. Making money from your books long term isn't about one big launch. It's about creating assets, building systems, and staying consistent. Treat your books like the valuable properties they are. Polish them, position them, and let them keep earning for you year after year. Every book you publish has the power to keep paying for you for the rest of your life. If you're serious about making a living with your writing, one book alone usually won't cut it. The real magic happens when you build a backlist. In this video, I'll show you why having multiple titles is the key to long-term author income and how to approach it strategically. So if you're ready to go beyond just one book and start creating a catalog that keeps paying you, click here now and watch the video.